I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
Alia, you know what I like about the Bay Area? Bay Area is the only place in the United States where you have everything. And what I mean by that is if you want to go to the beach, you can go to Santa Cruz. If you want city life, you can go to San Francisco. You want to go skiing, you can go to Lake Tahoe. You want to go gamble, you can go to Reno. I mean, where else can you do all this? And this beautiful property happens to be in the central location of Fremont. What do you think about that?
It's a great home, Eddie. It's a townhouse. It is in Centerville, part of Fremont. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, fantastic schools, which is what so many people want. And it's really light, airy, great floor plan. Let's take a look.
Let's take a look.
Welcome to 4634 Devonshire Cmn. Beautifully situated, this attractive St. James Park townhome is desirably located in the Centerville neighborhood of Fremont, minutes away from the pulse of Silicon Valley. This is a highly sought-after 2-story corner unit with an attached 2-car garage, a serene private patio, and in-unit laundry room. It's radiant and modern with 1,460 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths that boasts expansive windows, an abundance of natural lighting, and recessed lighting throughout the living room and bedrooms. Each spacious bedroom is situated to offer maximum privacy with generous closet space for the whole family. Bathrooms have been updated, including the half bath on the lower level, which is ideal for guests. A newly renovated kitchen offers unobstructed views, an inviting breakfast bar, and plenty of cabinets for storage. This great townhouse is in walking distance to nearby shopping, restaurants, and highly rated schools. It's also centrally located near highways 880, 84, 680, BART and ACE trains for easy access to all of the Bay Area. The home is also equipped with an energy-efficient Nest thermostat, which allows remote management from your mobile phone. Come take a look. Thanks for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.